Hello everybody, this is my first video recording. I am here to teach you geography of class 8. That chapter is resources, and we will discuss in this chapter about what are definitions and what are further classification of resources, what are different bases of classification of resources. So I am starting right now. The students of class 8, this chapter and this video will be very very helpful for you. So getting to the point, an object which has utility is called resources. There are many more definitions. In simpler terms, we can say utility or usability makes an object a resource, and we may also say things become resources only when they have a value. Now the another thing is time and technology are two important factors that can change substance into resources. So what are further classification of resources? Resources can be classified into three types. First is natural resource, second is human resource, third is human made resources. Now first of all we will discuss about natural resources. As you already know, things which we obtain from nature, which are already present here, like soil, air, water. So the definition is resources that are provided to us by nature are called natural resources. Examples are very common examples are soil, plants, and all those are natural resources. Now there are further divisions of natural resources on different bases. So starting from the first point, on basis of living or non-living, natural resources are divided into two categories, that is biotic and abiotic. All living resources, plants and animals, that are in biotic resources, and all non-living resources are abiotic resources. Now on the basis of exhaustibility, it is written down here. On the basis of exhaustibility, resources can be defined into renewable and non-renewable resources. Those resources which are replenished easily means they are recovered easily, they are obtained easily. So those resources are renewable resources, and those resources which cannot be replenished easily or that takes too much time to make their formation, like petroleum and coal and all those things, that are non-renewable resources. Now examples of renewable resources are air, water and soil. These resources are in abundance, and these are replenished very easily. Now the second point written here is actual and potential resources. So those resources, they exist, and their quantity and quality are determined, that are actual resources. And potential resources are those resources which exist and may be used in future. So in this video we have talked about what are resources, what is its definition, and what is further classification. Three main bases of resource classification is there. First is natural resources, second is human resources, third is human made resources. I think this video is valuable for you, and I hope I will improvise myself so that I can create better content and help students make their studies easily. Thank you very much. Kindly like and subscribe if you like my content and for appreciating my work. Thank you.